Hi guys, I'm going to show you today how to install your Python programming language in your computer. So if you're using Windows, I've selected a Windows computer to do the installation. So first of all, you need to go to any of the web browsers. So this is the Google, going and then you're going for the Google. You can use Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer. So basically what you need to type here in the search engine is the Python. So download. Okay, once you got your Python download, now if you're using Windows, just straight away goes to Windows. If you're using other operating system, just click whatever operating system you are on. Then you go for the Python 3.8. You can also as well goes to Python 2.7, but the latest one will be Python 3. Python 2 you can use, but they will move to Python 3 soon. Most of the software or code written for Python 2 are now being migrate. They do the migration for Python 3. So now, what you do next is to download this acceptable installer. As you can see here, it's downloading now. And then okay, then you can open it up, install now, and then here there's a small box here you need to click. So this will add it to the path. Okay, install now. Yes, and this should take a while depend on your internet connection. So still waiting for the installations. Well, Python is the basic uh, software that we will use later on, because we gonna our planning is to use NLTK, and NLTK is running on Python code, so uh, we have to use this one first. Okay, still waiting. Okay, so if you're using other than Windows, you might as well go for these options. You have Mac OS, we're using Macintosh, and also if you're using Linux, you can always compile from here. This is the compilation. So okay, a few more moments. So um okay, we're still waiting. Okay, now okay, close, everything's fine, you just close this one. So next step will be going to here, start in and type cmd, then go for command prompt, and then we want to try our Python. Is it install? Yes, Python is there. Then we exit. Sorry, then we exit. So meaning now the Python is in our path. Okay, the next step will be to install NLTK. There are two ways of installing NLTK. One, you can go download here by searching. Okay, you can do it like this. You can search for NLTK download, and then you can go step by step, or you can go directly from here and type command pip install NLTK, and now it's installing the NLTK. So this NLTK is a tool that we will use to do our analysis. So what is NLTK? NLTK is the natural language toolkit. So most of the researchers in the linguistic background or doing linguistic studies, they're using NLTK to study. Okay, now what we need to do now is to type our Python again and then try to import our NLTK to see if there's anything error or something. If there's no error, then we need to do this. Okay, now our NLTK is there.